This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm spilling all the secrets on how to get your LLC and EIN in Florida fast, like real fast. If you're trying to start a business and don't want to deal with long delays, this video is for you. Stick around because Hack 5 is the ultimate shortcut that'll save you a ton of time and headaches. Hack 1. Expedited filing. Normally, in Florida, the typical state filing time for an LLC is 3 weeks. But here's the hack. If you file your LLC through a professional service like Bizee, it costs an additional $50. This reduces the typical processing time to 8 business days. And here's a pro tip. Avoid filing late Fridays or weekends. Florida doesn't process on weekends. Hack 2. Use a unique business name, and I mean super unique. Florida requires your LLC name to be distinguishable from all other business names registered in the state. If your name is too similar to another, they'll reject it and you'll waste days fixing it. Before filing, search your business name. Use Bizee's free business name search tool to check your state's business registry to make sure it's available. And remember, per Florida law, your LLC name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC. Now, Hack 3. File for your EIN right after your LLC approval. As soon as you get your approved articles of organization back from Florida, you'll get an email confirmation. Head straight to the IRS website to file for your Employer Identification Number, EIN. Good news. Applying for your EIN is free. It takes about 10 minutes online and you'll get it instantly. And no, you do not have to wait days or hire anyone for this. Hack 4. Use Florida's e-document system to monitor your filings. Once you file, you can track your LLC status live on sunbiz.org. Florida posts documents like your articles of organization and annual report deadlines publicly, so you can stay ahead without waiting for slow mail. Bonus tip. Florida LLCs have to file an annual report every year by May 1st, or you get hit with a $400 late fee. Yeah, $400. And finally, Hack 5. Use a professional company like Bizee, formerly InkFile, to handle everything for you. Look, if you don't want to deal with paperwork, name searches, EIN filings, or stressing about deadlines, Bizee can file your LLC, grab your EIN, and provide a Florida-registered agent, all while you chill. They know all of Florida's rules, like no need for an operating agreement, but highly recommended. You don't need a business license from the state, but you might from your county or city. Florida doesn't charge an initial state business tax for LLCs, saving you extra cash. Once you click the first link in the description, you'll be taken to the same page as me. You can start the formation process immediately, but first let me show you the package that Bizee offers. Bizee is one of the best entity formation platforms in the market, charging $0 for its service, which no other company offers. You'll see 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The first thing worth mentioning is that you have to pay the state fee. The state fee is what Florida charges for opening an LLC, which is $125. Bizee is not making any income from this fee. It goes directly to the state. Even if you use the state website, the fee remains the same. You'll see 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The price for each differs, and I'll explain why. To see the full comparison, select the entity type and choose the state. Each package has its own set of services, which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Basic package is the most affordable option. Bizee charges $0 for their service in this package. You only need to pay the $125 state filing fee. This package includes preparing and filing the articles of organization, a free registered agent for 1 year, an online access dashboard, a business banking account offer, and a business tax consultation. No other service provides a free registered agent for the first year without any charge like Bizee does. Next is the Standard package, which costs $199. This is the package I highly recommend because it covers everything you need to start a business legally. It includes everything in the Basic package, plus additional services like obtaining an EIN, Employer Identification Number, an operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, a business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553 filing, and more. All these services, except for tax consultation, are required by the state to file an LLC successfully in the U.S. Filing these on your own can be challenging, so this package simplifies the process. The premium package costs $299 and includes everything in the standard package, plus 4 additional services: free next-day filing, business contract templates, a domain name with a business email, and a free first-year business phone number. These extras are helpful if you're in a hurry to complete your LLC filing or want added convenience. Business contract templates, valued at $150, include agreements like non-compete clauses, NDAs, and employment contracts. Free next-day filing ensures your documents are processed as fast as possible, although the final timeline depends on the state. The domain name and business email enhance your business's legitimacy by providing a professional email address linked to your company. The standard package includes everything you need to legally launch a business. This is the package I strongly suggest for the majority of business owners, as it covers all that is necessary. Bizee also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of Relays, so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term piercing the corporate veil comes into play. Now, if you've been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil, in which case you are, in any position, defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Starting a business doesn't have to be stressful, especially if you use these 5 hacks to get it done fast and smart. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and drop a comment if you have questions.